In this video, I'll show you how to cancel automatic payment on Spotify. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device. Canceling automatic payments on Spotify via mobile is straightforward. So to be able to do that, you'll need to go ahead and sign in into your Spotify account on the application. Now, once you've signed in into your Spotify account and opened the app, go ahead and head over into your profile by clicking on the top left of your screen and clicking on the settings button. Now, on the settings page, go ahead and look for account settings. So tap on your profile icon and navigate to account, access subscription settings. So you usually find that under the your plan section. But since I'm availing the free plan, I won't be able to find it. But if you've availed the Spotify premium plan, you'll be able to find the subscription settings under this. Simply cancel automatic payment, select manage subscription and tap cancel subscription, and then follow on the on-screen prompts to finalize the cancellation. And then you should get a confirmation message once the cancellation is successful. That's basically how you can cancel automatic payment on Spotify. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.